Welcome to the Starter Patent Search video guide. In this video, you will learn the basics of patent search. We will also share a few tips and tricks for using patent search with you. We will now go through how to use the different types of searches. In this video, we will go over quick search. You will see the search bar where you can enter the keywords of your choice, but before you start the search, you should check the settings. You can select specific PTOs or patent types to narrow down your search. By default, patent search will enable the stemming function for the keyword search. Stemming can help to expand your search with the same root. For example, with the search term of looking, you will get a stemming result set that includes look, looking, and looked. Okay, now let's search for some keywords. You can see there are more than 19,000 records. This is too much information for anyone to perform any meaningful analysis. We will share a few tips to help you produce more refined search results. However, now we will use this example to go through how to use the advanced filters, 3 different views, and the various tools. Simply click and open to see what the filterable options are. Click the More icon at the bottom to open it for more filterable options. There are many other filters that you can use to refine the search results. Remember to click on the filter button to apply the filter. Now, we will go to the top right corner to see the list view types. There are 3 types of views to choose from to see how the patent search results are listed. The simple list view only shows the text information. If you are looking for patent figures, you can choose the gallery view. In the summary view, you can see the abstract. To set up the columns you want to view, go to the Settings, and click on the Patent List tab to select the desired data columns to be displayed. You can set your preferences in terms of the number of results you wish to see per page, the default view mode of the results, and the patent number format that you require. Always remember to click on OK to save your changes. If you suddenly have a new idea for additional keywords or some interesting search conditions that you would like to try, you can go back to the search bar and add additional criteria to your search query. For example, if you only want to search for the patents that have the word wireless in the abstract and claim, AC, and you only want to view the patents that have been issued in the last 5 years. After you're done, always remember to click the Convert to Query button. Then search. You can see that the search results now contain 2,092 records. We are now going to show you the tools that Patent Cloud offers. Let's go over the highlighter now. You can see that all of the keywords you used in the search query have already been pre-created. You can hide the highlighter by clicking on the eye icon, or you can remove the highlighted keyword by clicking on the trash can icon. You can also change the color of the highlighted keyword. You can also add new keywords if you wish. Simply enter the keyword, and the highlighter will show up on the right side. You can also use a pre-saved keyword set or save the current set by clicking on the Save button. To use the Compare tool, you will need to select the patents you wish to compare. You can choose more than 2 patents to compare, so let's try selecting a few. You can see the selected patents listed on the left side. You will need to drag the patent you want to compare to the right side. When you are ready to compare another patent, drag the new patent on top of the patent you want to replace. When you are in the Compare view, you can see that the highlighter tool is also available here. You can also leave a memo on the different patents or select a phrase or the figure to add additional memos. Now, we will take a look at the Collapse and Expand tools. You can collapse the search records by application number or by patent family. You can also go to Settings to choose how the records will be shown after collapsing. You can always access the settings via the button here. Now let's take a look at how the records are collapsed. After collapsing the 1,970 records, there are actually 1,479 patent families. You can see that all of those patents are in the same family. You can also see that all of the records with the plus sign are collapsed. For the Expand tool, We will show you all of the family patents associated with these search results. A new window will open with the new results. The statistical chart is one of the most popular tools as it can easily produce many analysis charts. However, due to its complexity, we will cover it in a separate video. Alternatively, you are more than welcome to ask our CS team to demo the statistical chart in detail. Before showing you the rest of the tools, we will show you how Select All works first. Keep in mind that when you click on the top checkbox, you are selecting all the records on the current page. If you would like to select all 1,970 records, you will need to click on the part that says, Select all 1,970 patents in this query. We will look at Export now. Firstly, you will need to select the type of file you would like to download. Then select all of the records or enter the range you require. The export options can be checked if you only want to export the representative patent after collapsing. Here is where you select the fields you want to show up in the export file. In this part of the export settings, you can see how much of the quota has already been used, along with the quota limit. Lastly, you can enter the file name for the file you wish to export. The system will prepare your downloading job overview. Click on the download button to download the file. You can select the record you want to assign a tag to, then click on the tag tool. You can use the 2 tags that have already been made for you. Under each tag title, you can have 3 sub-tags. You can add more tags by using the edit function. Just click on the plus tag button and click on submit once you are done. Now, let's assign a few tags. But first of all, we should switch views so we can see the tags. We are now approaching the end of this tutorial video. The last 2 tools that we are about to show you will only be available for the users who have access to the Patent Vault, Quality Insights, or Due Diligence solutions. Firstly, you will need to select the PV project, then select an existing folder or create a new one. We will create a new folder for this video. After you create a new folder, always remember to name the untitled folder. When you are done, you can also add a memo for the folder or subfolders. After you have finished everything, click on Confirm. Now, you can review or perform further analysis on those patents in PV. To run a Quality Insights analysis or due diligence report, just select the patents you want to analyze, then click on the DD or QI icon, and it will take you to the one-click AI-powered solution that you have selected. We have reached the end of this tutorial video. Thank you for taking the time to watch and learn more about patent search. We are always happy to receive feedback, so please feel free to contact us by email or go to our website.